Hey everyone, welcome to problem number 20, valid parenthesis. Okay, so given a string s containing just the characters, open round parenthesis, close round parenthesis, some curly ones and some the square ones, determine if the input string is valid. An input string is valid if open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets, where so round ones should be closed with round ones. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order, so we need to take care of the order itself. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type, so this is gonna help close the open bracket. Okay, so go through the examples. This looks like a true, this looks like true, but this looks like false because of rule number 3. What are the constraints? So s dot length goes from 1 to 10 raised to 4, and it contains the set of 3 type of parentheses only. Yeah, so if couple of cues from the input constraint, of course. So the order is of utmost importance, and if the order kind of comes in, we can use stack just to check the top of the stack if it is matching the closing ones actually matching the first ones, because you don't want anything of this order, right? So if we just go by the count, then this would still return true, but we want to return this as false because the order is something that of great importance to us. So yeah, let's actually go about coding it. So what do we have in open set? Open set has only opening, round brace, curly braces, and square, rectangular. And the close here, because we have a mapping, so what we can do is we can actually have a dictionary with this. Okay, oops, square. Okay, so let's start iterating through the string. We'll because of the order is of importance, we'll consider the stack, and say if character is in open set, then we would just do stack.append, right? We'll start appending the character. Else, so if the character is not from the open set, what we got to do is check if stack the top of the stack, so stack of -1 is equal to close tick of the char. So, and to have this, we just have to check if the stack exists in first place or not. So if stack and the top of the stack matches the closing parenthesis in the dictionary, then what we can do is we gracefully pop the last element. If it doesn't match, so we have something like this, the one that I showed you earlier. So if we have something like this, we would want to return false immediately, right? It's not a valid parenthesis. And at the end, you would just return if the stack length is 0 or not, right? So that's basically to it. It's a easy difficulty one, so you can just skim through this one pretty quick. Let's just check if I got everything right. Okay, and we'll submit it. And it goes through perfect. Well, thank you so very much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.